Pull the boat. Okay, never mind. We're going somewhere. Somewhere. How come my seat is going all the way down?
You'll have to. That's because you got to put it all the way up in order to put the back seat down.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, it's not your favorite. It's my favorite store. Okay. Because it's big. It's big. You gotta wear a mask. If you don't, you go to jail. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go.
Let's go see if we can find anything useful.
Let's find something good. Ta-da. I'm gonna get me a refrigerator for my boat. That. Wow, this is look like ours in the house.
That's the same one we had at the
Yeah, we have. This is what we have.
Yeah.
Hi, look. Look. This is the same as in the house. Yeah. We are shopping for the refrigerator. I need to replace a bigger refrigerator because right now we have tiny. We cannot put milk in it. And it's under the counter. Yeah. See, you said 4.4. This is 5. It's 4.
Yeah, this one's 348.
Yeah, that's the one. Which one you said? That's tiny. No, not that one, hon.
They got 4.2.
It's 4.4. That's small.
There's one I was looking at up there.
4.4. Which one is that?
Right there.
I think this one fits.
And this one is the stainless steel 4.2.
I like this one. It's an energy store. It's got a lot of space. See? That's the one right there. 5.2. Do you have the measurement? Hey, you can put a gallon of milk here. It's got space. Awesome. I want this one. That one is a 4.4, but it's tall. We'll get it.
Wait a minute, that one up there's got a little tiny freezer in it.
Well, this one? But that's tiny. That one right there is fine. Dry. Okay, I gotta go to. Hold on. I gotta go in the middle. Oh, okay. Push. You're the one push. Okay, you need to clean. Do you have towel? Clean it out in the top.
No, I don't.
All right, let's go.
Anything else you want to
Okay,
look at?
that's what. That's. No, I don't know. I don't know. And you might. You fit in there?
I don't. I guess something's gonna fall.
That's the last one. There's no more. Oh, right there in the top. No, it's... Yeah. Ta-da! We got it.
And of course, my wife got the most expensive one.
Of course. You gotta get the best of the best. Okay? Even it's not better. Oh, you park close to the curb, so you have to put it over here, right? I don't have my. I got my key. Wrong window. Wrong door. Okay, we'll put it. We'll put it over here. Is it fit? It fit in our car.
Yep. Good fit.
Ta-da. Ta-da. It fit there. Okay. We bought a new fridge, so I had to empty this so I can give this to my son. This is the fridge right now in here. So, and it's so tiny. So I need to empty this because it's so small, won't fit everything. Cheese, carrot, my leftovers. Okay, butter. That's a lot of butter. We use a lot of butter. And this one is shortening. This is tiny thing. It fits a lot of stuff. More cheese. We have a lot of cheese. And bacon. Philadelphia cheese. Cream cheese. Yeah. See, that's all fit in this little tiny refrigerator. So, and egg, mayo, more butter. This is my stuff. And guess what? Okay, this is egg. We use a lot of eggs. It's marks. It's eggs. How much, bud?
The horizontal dimensions
Pickles.
for both entrances is 22 inches. The height of the first entrance is 28
That's
inches.
Pickles, and in the door.
The height of the second is 54.
Try to get rid of everything. Thai fish sauce. Get rid of this.
The hallway was actually made to
And,
be the exact width
Yep.
of the
And
entrance.
here's the tiny freezer. Tiny cute freezer. I might as well turn this off.
And then for
Turn
this
it
way,
off.
the
Which
top
one is
lid
off?
slides back.
Is that off? Yeah, that's off. Yep, ready to get out. Okay. Took the tape. I took the old refrigerator. Oh. Did you see this wire? This is for 12 volts. 110 and 12 volts. So here's the hole for refrigerator. Now I had to unhook or cut this. Here, be done. this to a bowl. Won't you be cutting over there, hon, and send it to the whole thing? No? So you're not gonna... Oh, never mind. It's electric. Yeah. And there's a plug-in over there. There's a plug-in over there for a refrigerator. And it don't go nowhere. There's the fridge. It's gonna go to another boat. It's this young man right here's boat. It's Mac's boat. And ours is in the, that's where my new fridge is gonna be. You see? I got new fridge for my cute Galley.
Mark, let's do it this way. You come down here, and you and your mother lift that up.
You can come this way a little bit if you need to. Hey, Adam. But you're real close to the line, but you're going off on the other way.
I'm trying not to go all the way because of the...
Yeah, you gotta come towards me just a teeny little bit.
Is that good?
Come out here and look and you'll see what I'm saying. You're getting back there into the wood. You gotta come this way some.
If I do that...
Yeah, you're gonna be getting into the wood on there. Yeah, you're doing good now. Now come towards me.
Come towards you?
Yeah, this way.
Is that good?
Yeah, just keep going.
Oh, I think going towards me.
No, you gotta go straight down. Your red line. You're going right on your line. Don't go no farther towards the wall. That's good right there. Straight down. Hold on.
Go. I got my fridge back. Okay, it's on. You see? So I got my fridge back. I mean, it's not back, it's new. So I need to clean it up. Clean. This is a big size fridge for the boat. Yeah, I bought the biggest one in there. And it barely fit. So I had to cut up the hole. Oh, wait, put this in the hole. I cut up it to fit this fridge in this cavity, whatever that. But I'm so happy I got a new fridge. There you go. It's 5 cubic. Oh, finger. You see? Here's the instruction. Yep, and look, this is for soda here, and it's awesome. Give us the setting, and we need what settings we're gonna need in here. Look, this is how much left.
Good, because it needs to breathe.
It's 1 inch.
That's good.
Left to the top, and ta-da! So happy. Now, okay, that's number 5. Number 6. What number I should put? Okay,
Just let it set for 2 hours before you plug it in.
Okay, Siri, you already did plug in. But anyway,
Interior surface with lukewarm water.
okay, I'm gonna clean. Yeah, but here, oh, I have to finish it. Anyway, that's my new fridge. New fridge, new stove. It's all fit there. Tada! Awesome. I wish it's white, same as the other one, but who cares? I got it. I'm happy. So here's our fridge now. Tada! It's not organized, but I'm just happy that we have a big fridge. Tada! Everything is in there. Yep. Kind of big and cute for under. Yeah. See? It's white stove and duck. Nice. We did reverse this thing. I know why. We reversed the door. Before the opening was here, and now here's the opening. Ta-da! You see? Reverse the opening. Yeah. So, too many storage. Nice. Mini storage. This for soda. The door. Hey, gallon of milk fit in here. You see? It's dark. Yep. Nice, huh? Happy. It works too.
I fed him through your friend, the critter, who gave me nothing but a bunch of fucking